Hi guys, this is Katie and today we are heading over to Century Mall in Onnut on Sukhumvit Road. So if you are new here, my name is Katie. I am an expat living in Bangkok and I vlog about my life here. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, then make sure you hit subscribe. So today I thought I would head over to Century Mall. This is a fairly local shopping mall. Now, Bangkok is full of shopping malls, and if you are interested in more shopping mall guides, let me know in the comments below. But we love heading to the shopping malls here, and Century Mall is a quieter option to go to. It is very near, well, it's literally on the Onnut BTS stop, and it's not too far from where we live, but it's also really quiet. So outside, mostly on like weekends and evenings, they have this little market stand outside. And we're actually going in here today because Callum is getting his haircut. And this is where he gets his haircut from because they have I think it's called Never Say Cuts place. So he's gone to get his haircut and I'm going to do a little exploration. So first of all, they do have a cinema here. Now, I'm going to be honest, it's a very small, quiet cinema. So if you are looking to see a film without lots of people there, this is a good option, but they don't have loads of screens and therefore they don't have loads of movies on. So whenever we've been here, the variety is very limited and a lot of the movies are Thai unless there's like a big release. But they do have these special little sofa chairs if you want to try one of the they have different options and you can see here these are the different prices, but if you want to try those out, they have those options here still. But again, like I said, it's very quiet, so if you're wanting to go to it for a quiet cinema experience, then this is a good option. So that's on the top floor of this shopping mall, and then on the next few floors down is a few different cafes and hairdressers and nail salons. And one of the things that always intrigues me, because it's always super quiet, is this really cute arcade area. Now, I know that I have some students that watch this, and in fact, I know that I'm sure they would like a shout out. So 5K, this is me shouting you out. But I know that this is the type of place, if we had children, I'd definitely bring them here because it is super quiet. There are lots of things to play around with. And also you do get a cool little view of Onnut. So as you can see, Onnut is literally just outside. And I think it might be the second floor that attaches to the train station. So you can go from the train station into Onnut. And then as you go down, there are more restaurants. So if you've watched some of our videos before, we have been to the Fukyu in town restaurant. That was here, but it's actually now closed. We went here recently and it's now closed. But there are other places in Thailand that you can go to. That chain restaurant at the moment it's closed. It might be reopened again. But there are lots of different kind of chain places. So you get like your Subways. There is a Thai restaurant, and stick around because we're going to head to that Thai restaurant in a minute after Callum has his haircut. But there are lots of different restaurants to choose from. There are lots of sushi places and noodle places and all of the types of things that you can expect from a Asian shopping mall. So there's also this Shakakariki place. I haven't visited this yet. This is a Japanese place, but it looks really cool. So I'm definitely going to head back to the mall soon and try this out. If you have any recommendations, then do let me know in the comments. I'm going to have to check this out because look at the menu. There's so many sushi options. There's so many, I love this grilled tempura and the yakitori food. It's amazing. I love all that stuff. Anyway, so I will be heading back there. But because we were just there for a quick time, we went to this little Thai place and sat down for a bit of a meal. I think this was kind of like mid-afternoon, so we were having an early dinner. And so it's called Tom Mai Yud, the restaurant is called, and they have a pretty extensive menu. It's fairly cheap as well. So if you are looking for a cheap meal whilst you're here, then this is a good option. And the people there were very friendly. Again, don't speak Thai, and this is more of a local shopping mall, so there's not too many people working here that speak English, but they were very patient with me, very helpful. They understood me pointing to different dishes, which is always important when you go and eat somewhere. So yeah, we ordered a few different things. So firstly, we had these deep fried shrimp spring rolls, which are massive, but tasted really good actually. Sometimes you can get these and they're a little bit too crispy, but these are pretty good. And they came with sauce, and obviously you had your usual cutlery. Then we also had, this is Callum's like favourite go-to dish whilst we have been living here. It's just like Thai basil, mince and rice. And then these look like chips, but they are not. These are actually fried taro, and it comes with like a sweet chili sauce, which was really actually quite yummy. And I've had taro before, haven't really thought I liked it before, but yeah, they're pretty good here. And then we just had a bit of pork as well. So that is something that we love to do when we go to Thai restaurants. It's just order a few little dishes to share and enjoy. So thank you so much for watching this video of Century Mall. I think next I'm going to be sharing another cinema experience. We very recently checked out the bed at Central World. Yes, you get to watch a movie while sleeping in a bed. So that will come next. So make sure you hit subscribe to watch that video. And thank you so much for all of you who have been following me and following my journey in Bangkok. I really, really appreciate it. So thank you so much. Take care, and I shall see you very soon. Bye.